Yeah. Uh-oh. That's not supposed to be there. Yeah. We've definitely had a casualty from the high winds. Mr. Umbrella decided to go flying. But again, Mom always likes to look on the bright side. Even though the umbrella is resting in pieces, it didn't fly into the screen, so that's not bad. I mean, it's bad, but it's not as bad as it could have been. So yeah, I don't know if we can patch this guy back together, but I know Dad'll give it a try because he's really good at that. And what are you sniffing? But look at the oh, you're sniffing the pretty flowers? No, leave the lizard. Yeah, you're not a lizard hunter. But obviously Mr. Squirrel took this path at some point because we've got your sniffer working overtime. What do you think, Ellie? I know, even after all the rain, it's cooler, but it's still pretty humid. I think it's time to go back in. What do you think? What do you think? Back in? Okay, back in we go. Oh, the sniffer is really working. Oh, Ellie's checking out the rainwater. It's her favorite thing to drink. So, all right, time to go inside and get back to work. Let's go. Let's go, girlies. Oh, Maddie's in hot pursuit of something. Maddie's got a really good sniffer. All right. Hopefully we can put the patio back together today after the rain. All right, let's go, girls. Come on, Ellie. Time to go in. Good girl. Oh, look at the herb garden. Everything's happy because of the rain. Yeah, looking good.